You ever want to take a quick glance and know what time zone somebody's in? Well, I've got a little trick that I discovered on Google Calendar that can help you do that. So let's get into this. Okay, so let's get in our computer here. You can see just a regular Google Calendar here going on, with dates and stuff. But if you look over here to the left, you're going to see Sydney time and Columbia time. So I can see what time it is at a particular world zone at a particular moment. This is a really cool ninja trick. So how do you get this added here? How do you get this section added? Well, what you do is you go up into settings, okay? And you go into settings and you get in the settings menu and you're going to see right here, world clock, okay? So you're going to want to click show world clock. And what's cool is I have a lot of stuff that I do in Australia. So I have that listed. And then I have Colombia because we have places in South America. But as you can see, you can add any time zones that you want. And again, when you go back to your calendar, you're going to see it right here on the left side. And you will know that as I'm recording this right now, it's a 9:40 a.m. in Colombia. It's the same time here, just outside Chicago. And it's a 12:40 a.m. in Sydney. So just a quick ninja trick with Google Calendar to get yourself organized. Works real well, and it'll help you understand what time you're in, and you can do a quick glance and see what time it is anywhere in the world right from your Google Calendar. All right, as always, thanks for watching the video. More coming right here on the Morning Coach YouTube channel.